everyone, AshersStash here. Today we have these both vacuums that you saw on the on my last video. So you know how these both sound, and the problems were this had the broken belt, needs cleaning. Both of these need cleaning. This one had no brown brush roll. This one had broken belt. So I got a new brush roll on both of them. Got a new brush roll for the Eureka, and we're gonna test these things out. We got a new belt for these both have new belts. They both have got cleaned up. I plugged in the Hoover first because this one is quieter than this one, so I'm gonna start with this one last. So let's start it. It actually runs pretty good. Sounds like the exact same thing as the last time, but with a new brush, with a new belt in. Now we're done with that one. It's hard to get this plug out of. This plug is stuck. Someone help! Help.
Here, hold on to it. Oh.
How did that plug get stuck in there? The plug actually got stuck. Now let's do with the Eureka. You know that this thing is pretty loud. You know that. This one hasn't been used in a while. Plug that in. Now let's turn it on. Very loud, so just to let you know. The brush roll works. Suction still. Well, when I got this thing after my video, it was hard to stand up, and I actually upgraded the height adjustment. As you can see, it's a little flinging right here. And what I did here is I actually put the spring in a different place. I put it right here instead of right there. So it would have less space for it to actually go up and down like that. And it still works as it should. Let's see it runs with like doing that. So yep, I'm done with these both, and I hope you liked my video. Comment if you actually have these two vacuum cleaners. Comment down below, and if you have one, if you have one that needs fixing, one of these, tell me right immediately. My address is. Actually, I'm not gonna tell you my address. I just joked you. I just tricked you. I don't know. I can't tell you my address, but I can fix your vacuum every time you want. And that's all for my video. If you have these two vacuums, let me know. And if you have one of them that needs fixing, comment down below for me to fix. Bye bye everyone, and I hope you liked this video.